Hi everyone, welcome back to my automation tutorials. In this video, I'll show you a simple and free donation automation method for NGOs. With the payment reference method, donors first make mobile money payment, then complete the donation form by entering their payment reference number. Zapier automatically captures the information, making donor tracking fast and error-free. I am currently in my tally.so donation form, where I have added a payment reference number field for donors to enter transaction reference after making their payment. Let me assume I'm a donor and I want to support Gracious Hands Uganda by donating 500,000. I have to fill in my details, my full name, Peter Okwok, email address, phone number, that one, donation amount, 500, reference number already there, and what inspired me to donate, a real love, to helpless. Yes, the anonymous donation, no, submit the form. Thank you for completing this form. After submitting in the form, I'll go to my email and check if I have any email sent instantly. So I'll come, you see, I have received an instant thank you email, and this is what happens whenever every donor submits his or her form with the payment reference number. So here you see the name, the details, my name, Peter Okwok, amount sent, amount donated, the payment reference number, all are included. Now, let me check the Google Sheet tracker and see whether the information has been logged in the tracker. Yeah, you see, automatically everything. Yeah, here, actually here we are, and the donation information has been successfully logged in the donor tracker. Everything's done automatically and saves time. And when you come to Slack, your team gets a notification on Slack in real time. So let's confirm and see if my team has gotten the information regarding a new donor who donated 500,000. So you see, his name appears here, his phone number, amount, reference number, and what inspired him to donate. So 0 money work, 0 missed donors, as simple as that. This is the good thing with automation using Zapier. So this is how the flow goes. Donor sends mobile money payment and then fills the tally donation form with their payment reference number. Zapier detects new tally form submission, Gmail instant thank you receipt email, Google Sheets donor logged automatically, and Slack team notified instantly.